Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another fall makeup tutorial for women of color. I really like the fall. The fall is my favorite season, and so I really just love to incorporate my makeup styles or like different makeup looks with the fall. Now y'all may be like, okay, this is kind of similar to the last one. Well, listen, I ain't no makeup artist, so I'm doing what I know how to do, okay? But yeah, I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. The quality will change a little bit towards the end because I had my battery died, so I had to use my phone. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and just keep watching to see how we get this look. So I'm going to be starting out with the Milk Hydro Grip primer, and then I'm going to go into this Violet Voss I Rust You palette. Look at how beautiful these colors are, you guys. So I'm going to be taking the shade, well, this is a brush, a Luxie Beauty brush, and then I'm going to go in with the shade, come on girl, come on, Warm and Rusty. And I'm going to be applying that into like the outer corner and upper area of my eyelid. I don't know the name, but yeah, you'll see it right here. So here I am fixing my eyebrow because it got messed up when I concealed it, and I just used the ColourPop brow pencil in black and brown. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe and James Charles palette. Now let me tell y'all know when this palette came out, right? And look how the colors haven't even been touched. Sad, ain't it? But I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. I'll be sure to put it on the screen because I don't remember the name. And I'm also gonna take another Luxie Beauty brush. This is kind of like a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply that shade onto my crease. And I'm gonna pack it on there until I get the desired amount on there. So in between packing this white shade on, I do go back in with the Warm and Rusty shade just to blend out the crease, so it won't look like that I just packed two shadows on there. So you see how they blend like a seamless blend, and I just really do this back and forth on both eyelids. Now I'm going to be taking the 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽 white gold glitter, and I'm going to be placing that on my crease where I put the James Charles shade at. And let me show y'all how beautiful this is. Like, it is extremely beautiful. And I'm going to be taking a flat Luxie Beauty brush to apply this product. I honestly don't know why I felt the need to show y'all that I'm so proud of myself that I cleaned out a candle to hold my dirty makeup brushes. Next, I'm going to be taking this black liner and make a wing. Now, this is where I realized I messed up. I should not have made a wing with this look because it was perfect. Look, perfect just the way that it was. And then I messed it up with the wing. but we make it work anyway. Like, I needed to get this video out, and I did not show y'all that eye right there because, as you can see, it's crusty, and I should have stopped right there. But no, I had to do a little wing, and I'm sitting here thinking in my head, oh, I'm gonna be saying this like I'm doing a wing, and then I'm getting it as close to the lash line as possible, and I should have never done a wing in the first place. But it's okay, we live and we learn. So this is the Lorac Pro mascara that I'm just putting on to prep my lashes, my eyes for my lashes. And see, look y'all, it was, anyways, we're going to take these shades by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be matching them on my skin to see which one goes or blends the best. So because I've really never used a stick foundation before, I am going to be taking my NARS Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation to just help blend this out even more, because look, I didn't know what I was doing. You got like trial and error. Okay, so I realized I had to go add some more, and so that's what I did. Now I'm going to go over it just to add a little bit more coverage with this NARS foundation, and I'm going to blend it out with my Luxie Beauty, I think this is a flat top foundation brush, I'm not sure, but I really love this brush because it gets really good around my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Mahogany, and I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes only. So now I'm going to be taking this dry beauty blender to blend out this concealer. Yes, I said dry. I don't like to wet my beauty blenders. I feel like I get better coverage. And really, Cairo, I'm trying to do a voiceover. But I personally like the dry beauty blender because I feel like I get better coverage. When it's wet, I feel like it soaks up a lot of the product. So now I'm just going to go over the concealed edges with my foundation brush. So I haven't used this setting powder in a very long time, but because my concealer is orange, I decided to go in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I really think that these two products, the concealer and the setting powder, blend together seamlessly. They look really good together, and I just think that I did a good job, like I made a good choice. So because I used a like cream foundation, I did want to try a cream contour, and it honestly wasn't almost giving what it was supposed to, you know, do. But I do go over it with the Black Radiance just to, the Black Radiance contour kit, just to set that and help bring out my contour even more. So this is a pressed powder that I'm just going to set over my face everywhere that I didn't set with the Sacha Buttercup powder. Here I'm going to be taking a brow pencil and just line my lips. This is the Juvia's Place lipstick in the shade Toffee, I think. And it wasn't giving the color that I wanted to give it. Almost looked red a bit. So I am going to go over it with the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow lipstick to get the look that I was going for. And then I'm going to top it off with some clear gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. So this is where the quality of my camera changed because I had to charge my battery. But here I am just using that brush that I set my face with the pressed powder to remove that makeup. And then I'm going to go in with some setting spray to spray my face. But I tried to use this matte setting spray by Morphe, and the tube was just messed up. Like it wasn't wanting to spray out. So I just grabbed my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This one is not the mattifying one. And I just spray that all over my face until it's good and drenched. And now I'm going to get on to the hair portion. So I'm going to take, y'all, I get a lot of shedding. I don't know why. But I'm going to take a comb and just braid my hair in two down the middle. So y'all, this whole time I thought I was recording, so I did not get when I first curled my hair. But I'm just taking these flat irons and doing just like some really cute loose curls. So this side right here I struggle with because I was trying to tell myself like away from the face, curl away from the face. And it just was, it was not happening. I was struggling so bad. But I finally got it to look like something. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the outro. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. I kind of was not feeling my hair. I need some new wigs, okay? I need some new wigs. But yeah, I really hope y'all did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. And I'll see y'all in my next video.